Got the ECOZY Smart Wake Up Light. Its features are sunrise simulation, sunset simulation, snooze function, 20 brightness levels, USB charging, FM radio, colorful atmosphere light, LED time display. This is the front of the clock. This is the bottom. You have a battery that goes down there. AM, FM radio. In the back, you have a speaker, USB charging out port, USB to USB-C cable. You get complete charging block and long cable. At the top, you have snooze up, snooze down, brightness up, brightness down. The light switch is in the center. Snooze button. Volume up and down. Light controls. Easy to set up. And there's the light. Very nice and bright light for reading. Goes up. You can turn it down. Very, very nice. Beautiful addition to your home. You get the how to set it up. Connects to Wi-Fi. Very great product for gifts and for addition to your Alexa, Google Home accessories. Thank you.